My shop is 600 feet from my house and is a metal building where no signal gets in or out. I emailed the company, told them my situation, and that I had 3 trees between my house and shop. They said, no problem, and recommended the 2.4 I hooked it up to test in the house, and all worked. My internet speed at the house is 330, the antennas are rated at 100 MB/s, so I was hoping for at least 25. The shop router/wireless access point is capable of 1 GHz. I am seeing consistent greater than 80/30. Very satisfied. The bridge was very easy to install, no setup required, just connect it and it works. Aiming is not critical either. As long as they're pointed about at each other, they will connect. It's capable of speeds greater than the network I connected it to. I am very impressed and pleased with it. I changed this to 4-star for the simple bottom cover design. While the unites are 5-star in the operation, configuration, and function, I did get frustrated with reattaching the bottom cover. The cover comes off to route cable through weather strip and connect to jack. Placing the cover back on becomes difficult since the jack is not directly under the hole in cover and a 90-degree bend in the cable must be made. The distance from the bottom cover to the jack leaves very little room for a 90-degree bend, especially if your cable is hooded. The hood in my cable was shaved down with a razor to fit through hole in bottom and to allow the 90 to happen in a shorter distance. If the manufacturing is able to mount unit deeper into housing, this would solve the problem I had. The bottom cover comes off easy enough with a coin, flathead screwdriver, or something like it. When forcing it back on where the cable connection is so close and binding don't give me confidence the bottom cover will stay, as the plastic tabs are easily bent beyond a tight hold or could possibly even break. I'd like to see a better fastening method for the bottom cover, perhaps even screws, which if mine breaks I'll end up doing that myself. I didn't need the cascade option, else the problem would have doubled with 2 cat cables instead of 1. I also may have made it easier if I made the cable myself without the thickness of the factory-made hooded one I used. Overall, I'm happy with the product and am able to share my internet connection from my house to my mom's about a 1/4 mile away with many large oaks in between. I also choose to add another Wi-Fi router at mom's to add Wi-Fi for tablet, Roku and a Wi-Fi card into the dish receiver. Click the link under this video for more details, reviews and current pricing.